Yeah.
Oh, I should have known you'd beat me to it.
Oh, it's you again.
Yeah. I get to shop today. See you around.
Just leave him, mate, because you're messing me about. No, I didn't see what. You need to bring it so that I can see. I want to see it.
Sorry, mate, I'll move this for you.
Okay.
Camera there.
Excuse me, how much for that?
What's the colours in it?
Yeah.
Just have a look.
Oops, sorry.
What's 25 for it, though?
25.
Yeah. It's all got the
Right. Thanks anyway. Freaking 25. It's covered in mold. How much you selling that for? £2? All right. What about this?
250, don't worry.
250? All right. Would you do the 2 of them for 4? All right. Thank you. There we go. Thank you very much.
£2 there.
£2? Would you take £1 for it?
No.
No? Let me get the £2 out.
It's only £6. What do you want me to do with it? I'm putting them down there.
I know that's why I did it yet. I know that's what you're doing.
There we go.
Thank you.
Thanks. Cute.
I would just throw things randomly in my bag, so
Cool. Happens to us all.
When you start answering yourself,
Broken. See? Looks like it. Ooh, he's right beaten up. Hey mate, how much for these bits? Sounds cheeky, but would you do 5?
No.
No.
No chance. It's cheap at that. It's that's worth 5 on its own. That's
Right.
worth 5.
Okay.
That's worth 5.
Well, on eBay, is it worth 5?
Yeah, well, easy. I mean, absolute lowest trade price, but they're worth that.
Yeah. Well, these only fetch a
Double
tenner,
that.
so I'd
Yeah,
have
that's
to have
what
a
I mean.
bigger profit. Thanks, though. I appreciate it.
No worries at all.
This looks neat. How much on these?
£10 on that one. So they've never been used. Just in box, the old stuff there with it in the box.
Is it all right if I open it?
Yeah, it's fine.
Right. Thanks anyway. How much for this? 25. Oh, right, okay. Thank you. How much is your bag?
£4.
£4. Let's see. Looks pretty cool.
That's what my daughter had when she went to Disney.
Oh yeah? Did she get it there?
No,
No.
she got it before she went. It's got an handle on as well, what you...
Oh, right, okay. Let me give you £4 for that then. That looks pretty neat.
That's a good trolley.
Yes, comes in handy. Let me see, do I have... Aha, do you have change?
I have, yeah.
And I have some shrapnel, but not enough. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, that's a really cute set. Whoa.
Sorry. Just mark here. So mark, no, it's mark here.
Sold.
Sold, mark here.
You tell him, mate.
Go mark here then.
I've opened the fiver for all three.
I think I can...
Everyone's looking at them. £3. I don't know what it is.
Some sort of auto tuner.
It's a guitar tuner. That's what it is.
He knows.
It's a guitar tuner.
Should I see it round?
Yeah.
On eBay, £20. I only want £19 for it.
Yeah. I said, I get it, I totally get it, but then go sell it on
We have it
eBay.
all the time, so we turn up there and people will say, oh, I've seen them on eBay, £500, I want £400 for it. I say, go sell it on eBay.
Yeah, do all the work
crap, all
then.
the stuff you gotta go through, you know what it's like.
Yeah. It takes forever in a day. People don't realize it.
So what does I say?
So 5 and then
I'll do
3,
7
so...
for both.
Oh, thanks.
Would you like a bag?
I'm alright, thank you.
3 change.
Awesome.
Thank you very much. Yeah, apparently people have been telling me some of these are quite desirable now.
You know what? They used to fetch good money. Not as much anymore, but what I find is that, like, sometimes they sit a while, but somebody needs one to finish their collection
Yeah,
or
yeah.
whatever.
So
You know. And so they're like, they're not going to pay my bills, but they'll keep things ticking.
that's what it's all about.
You know?
Keep people paid.
Yes, exactly.
How much it goes for?
Well, them ones there. £3 going for a fiver. Obviously, I know a lot about them. No idea.
How much are you asking on your slides?
Kill them all 3 for a fiver. Don't know what even on. What do I ain't got a slide projector? I don't like that. It can really make it down.
Yeah, I lifted one up. I saw a birthday cake, so
Oh,
God knows what else is in there.
could be anything.
Yeah, I'll do that then. 3 for the 5. Do you have change for tenner? Oh, wait a second.
Yeah,
Oh, wait, I don't even have a tenner left.
I can change the 20s.
Can ya?
You're bending it too quick.
I-
Yeah.
I didn't. I'm not bringing much around today. Last.
15 change, darling.
Thank
very
you.
much.
I haven't had very much luck lately. Nah, so I was like, I'm not bringing much, because I picked up 4 things last time.
Love it.
Yeah, it was a sad day. Oh, thank you very much. How much on your SeaWorld pot?
£2.
£2?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll do that then. I can't resist for £2. You made it too easy. Are they?
Nah, yeah.
Is that what they are? I was wondering. I was like, I haven't. Why has he got a value? I was thinking. That's pretty neat.
Rapid găsești, mă. Că nu te ocupa. Auzi, pentru 5 pound, sigur. Sigur găsești.
How much are they? £2. £2.
Yeah.
I'll do that. They seem pretty cool. How does this go? Does it sit on a lamp or do you hang it? Hang it, right. How much is it? Two. Ooh, I think I can manage that. It's getting down to the end now. There we go. Thank you.
Exactly, that's the thing about cardboard, you never know what's all there.
How much? Quid. All right. Drive a hard bargain. There we go. Thank you.